So hey, I forgot to tell you guys when I was cooking that food. So this is Jazzy Grandma bringing you guys to all of you grandmas, individuals that are 55 and over that's doing low carb, trying to get healthy. So I'm bringing you this taco soup. It is good, it's delicious. It takes less than 30 minutes to prepare. So if you want a quick meal and that tastes good, that's low in carb, because we still can work on our summer body. Summer's not over yet. So stay tuned. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and thumbs up the video. You won't be disappointed. It's good. All right. Stay tuned. Okay, people. You know what? I'm making this low carb dish, and I decided I need to share it with you guys. This is the low carb taco soup. All right. So I got a pound of ground turkey in there. I got diced up the white onions. I got cilantro. I got garlic. I have green onions. And for the seasoning, I had this cilantro and lime seasoning. I had this lime and pepper seasoning. I put that in there. The old standby garlic powder, onion powder. I put that in there. This is onion salt. So that's what I added in there. So I got some diced tomatoes. I got some beef broth. And I got the tomato paste. So right now, my ground turkey is cooked. Then I said, let me share it with my family. Because we all on this journey to be healthy, fit, fabulous. And we're going to have some fun in the process. Yes. So, I'm finna put, so my ground turkey is all done. I'm cooking in my favorite pan. So my ground turkey is all done. So we're going to put these diced tomatoes. It says 2 cans. I thought I had 2 cans on my shelf, but I only have 1. So we got diced tomatoes. Get everything out of there. So we're going to put the beef broth. I'm going to put 1.5 cups. This is a cup. I might put 2 cups because it calls for 2 cups. You got to put a tablespoon of tomato paste. So this is a tomato paste in a tube. So I'm putting the tomato paste in there. That might be enough. Then we're going to give it a stir. You gotta let it cook down. Let it simmer. I got some healthy chips over there. I got my cheese grated. We're going to put the top on it. We're going to let this cook down and simmer. We got to squeeze a little lime juice. You can put that on your bowl. If you want avocados, you can put avocados. I'm not going to do avocados on mine because I only eat avocados like guacamole. So, I think I'm going to need some more tomato paste because that don't look like that made enough. Because it got to simmer, get kind of thick. So let's put a little more tomato paste in there. Now that should be enough. Let's stir it up. Hope everybody had a good day today. How was your day? My day was good. You know, I took my, oh, I didn't even tell you guys. I took my car to the shop. So I think it was something going on with it. Because I kept getting a little battery thing come on. They said it was the alternator. They talking about $1,700. Just a Mercedes. They talking about $1,700 for the alternator. Then they sell these windshield wipers. $100. You know I'm gonna get them off of eBay. So I'm gonna look around for the with the alternator situation. But yeah. I know things have been went up. But shoes, how they went up like that? All right. So we're gonna put the top on it. We're gonna let it simmer. Let it cook down. Oh yeah, look like it's getting a little more red. All right, then I got the cheese, like I said, already grated. All right, so I'm gonna put the top on. Let it simmer and I'll be back. Okay, I took the top off for a minute, put my little green onions in there. I'm gonna put the top back on because it got to simmer some more. So the sauce can thicken up. Yep, so we're gonna let it simmer a little bit more. It looks, ooh, looking good. Oh yeah, can't wait to try that. Be back. You know, it called for 2 cans of diced tomatoes. I forgot I had cherry tomatoes, so I just cut them up and threw them in there. Ooh, that looks, oh my God, that looks so good. So we're gonna put the top back on and let it do what it do. I'll be back. Look at the consistency. Oh God. Low carb taco soup. Yeah. Ooh, look at this taco soup. Oh God, it looks so good and it smells delicious. Oh my God, look at there. So it's about ready. I didn't let it simmer, so it's about ready. So I'll meet you guys at the table. Okay, people, this is what it's looking like. They have some Doritos things. These are the chips I got. So these are the one I'm using. So those are the ones I got. So this is it. Ooh, that looks good. Got some cheese on there. I squeezed a little lime in it. Put a little lime on the side. Got some cilantro sprinkled on top. Oh yeah, this is good to go. Let's get a spoon and I'll be right back. Okay, people, so I showed you. Got the cheese. Got a little lime slice. I squeezed a little lime in it. I showed you the chips. So this is a low carb taco soup. And I put ground turkey in it. All that cheese melting. Oh, okay. It got that taste like, you know, you go to the Mexican restaurant, the Mexican food. Oh, yeah. Mm, mm, mm. Oh yeah, this is really good. Like I said, this is low carb. Can't go wrong with this right here. Mm. Oh my goodness. Mm. Oh, I got the hiccups. Oh, excuse me, I got the hiccups. Trying to see. All right. Trying to see if I still have them, and I do. Ain't nothing like getting hiccups when you be eating. Let me drink some water. Mm. Oh, yeah. Ooh, goodness. Mm. Oh, yeah. You know, I think the lime, that's probably what it is. The lime gave it that little extra kick. The tomatoes is in there. You know, you can't even hardly taste them. Mm, mm, mm. Got a little slice of lime. I'll squeeze a little more on there. Oh, yeah. Mm. Like I said, you should give it a try. It takes less than 30 minutes to cook. You know, it's real simple, real easy. Take about 20 minutes. Mm, mm, mm. Hope everybody had a good day today. It's been so hot. You know? How's the weather where you at? It's been really hot. Been had to keep my AC going. I have a low carb dessert I'm gonna make for all of us people doing that low carb. Oh, and I got some new outfits too. I gotta come through with that. I just been kind of busy. So I ain't had a chance to do what I needed to do, but I got something I want to bring you, and yeah. Oh man, like I said, you should give this a try. Mm. Mm mm. So I just popped on. I got my cheese right here. You need to put a little more cheese on it. You could also stir cheese up in it. I should have stirred a little bit up in there, then put some on top, but I didn't even do that. I was ready to give it a try. Yes. Won't be disappointed. Mm, mm, mm. This is light. This is healthy. Oh, yeah. Mm. Well. I be wishing I can share with you guys. I know my daughter be happy. And my son. They be like, okay. Yeah. Mm. All right, family. Well, I'm finna get on up out of here. And I'll let you guys enjoy the rest of y'all evening. And I'm finna get ready, finish eating up my little soup. You know, I was trying to get my nails done today. They said the lady didn't work today. She'll be there tomorrow. So I'll be there tomorrow to get my nails done. Look at my niece calling me. Is that you calling me, Federica? All right, people. Deuces. See you in the next video.